And our guy's been at this for a few minutes, and the struggle is real today down here at 79th. Does he have it this time? No, it appears he still does not. He's probably going to have to start that one over again. What up, guys? Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And if you can't tell, today we are visiting 79th. So we had gone back to our truck that was struggling, but this crew started raising a little cane. This is our crew that came by waving. Let's see how they do. Oh, they're trying to get it on. He's gonna have to give a little pump of the brakes. Oh, she's reaching for it. And we're over dramatizing it probably for the camera a little bit, but this crew will get it pulled on. I thought we were going to get a little more action because there was a little yelling going on over here as we were filming the other truck. Oh, watch out for the cow. Ooh. I think the engine hit the dock there, though. But this crew should have it on from here, and they'll get this one tied up and get out of here. Our crew's been floating around for a few minutes here, so I'm assuming this is the guy they were waiting for. They didn't really try approaching a dock until now. And now we're struggling, so we're going for the hand grab. He holds onto the pole and goes for the reach. But we are drifting further away. I guess we don't have any lines. Like, it would be much easier if we could just toss this guy a line, I guess. So we're going to reapproach, try and come in a little bow heavy, and see if we can get it in that way. Our guy looks like he's trying to line up for a jump, though. No, not from this distance. No way. Oh, my! Oh, he went for it. He got it, though. Wow, I'm surprised on that one. I thought we had a swimmer. Crew's making their approach onto, and we're going to get a little brake check. And I think our motor just stalled out. And looking by the look where the girl just looked back at the engine, I believe we did. They're going to restart this one. So that usually will add a little complexity into approaching the dock. If you're having some kind of mechanical struggles or failure, that's going to make this process obviously a whole lot more difficult. And we're going to make our second approach on two. He probably could have, I mean, we just watched a guy jump from like 8 foot out, bro. You could have made that leap. I guess our guy doesn't have any ups. So we're sliding out with the wind and current again now. And we're going to have to approach this one more time. Did the motor stall again? No, it looks like it's still running. And maybe not. Maybe he did just have to start it again. So he's going to have to line back up, and we're going to continue to go after two. There's not a whole lot of other options down here. He'd like to be on an odd number, especially with the motor issue. That would probably help a whole lot if he could just let the wind and current push him in. And here we go, one more time. I believe this is the third time. Third time's a charm, right? They'll get there this time. And no, we've missed on our approach angle. We're going to have to back out again. And we've lost the motor one more time. On that first approach, I thought they had a real shot, too. I mean, they were close enough. I think our guy could have at least gone for a toss. And that's one of the biggest things, I think, if you're a captain on a vessel, you should probably teach a couple people to do on your boat that ride with you consistently, is how to toss a line. Because it is one of the easiest ways. If you just get close enough to the dock and somebody can toss a line right, hit a pole, hit a cleat, and pull you in, life is good. So we're coming in. He's got a pretty good angle this time. And it looks like they had to restart the motor one more time. Coming in on approach. And there we go. We've got a line around two. Oh, no, he's pulling it in. Oh, the whole tower and everything shook when they hit. Sometimes you can't get a full justification of how hard these hits are. But that one, if you watch the replay back, everything was shaking. I could see it. I mean, the tower, everything. They hit pretty solid. He's kind of got the line around the pole the wrong way, which isn't helping either. By pulling like this, he's going to get the boat to actually slide back off the dock again. Well, at least slide past the end of the dock. So he's went ahead and fixed that issue. Cap's left the helm. And it looks like we've got a stern line, but nobody's going for it. So Cap's going to try and walk this one up. I mean, if they move this bow line to the mid of the boat, if there's a mid cleat, that would help a lot as well. But here we go. The stern line will absolutely rectify this problem also. Cap looks like he's getting a little frustrated, and he's sliding back off again, but he's going to try and give both lines to the guy in the dock. Oh, quickly, quickly. Oh, go for the toss. No, we're going to miss again, and there we go. He got it that time. Cap was panicking there a little bit. He must have been sliding back toward the other boat. And Cap's decided he's going to have to get off and take control of the situation. And there we go. He's got that bow pushed out. Now we can pull that stern in and get this boat back to level and get it brought up here on the dock. But I guarantee once they get this pulled up, Cap's going to be checking that spot where they hit to see if there's any damage. But fortunately for them, they'll get this one tied up. The mechanical failure was probably the big flaw here, though. That's one that definitely hurt them. Now, what is this? So, obviously, most of us have seen food trucks in our life, but I've seen boats selling food, but this is one of my first actual food boats. Like, where this thing looks like it was built and designed to do this. Now, I'm sure it's on a pontoon platform, but I mean, hell, we've even got an exhaust hood on this thing. I mean, these guys are legit. This is the real deal. So if you're ever out here at the sandbar in Miami, go ahead and hit up Empire Foods and get you some food, man. That's crazy to see something like this. And they're kind of sliding in between a couple boats, and they're going to get a line on the dock, and they'll make it up and hopefully sell some food. And speaking of which, we're going to head over there and try and order some. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. We have my channel, Broncos Guru. We do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.